plan was to just hold off on that because we knew we were going to do the field house. As things just have progressed along the way, because we didn't want to destroy or mess up that part of the roadway as they build the field house, because that's the way that they're going to be getting back to the field house. So we decided to hold off on a little bit on repave instead of having gravel. So they're actually in this week to complete that portion as well. But the bulk of the lot is done. Masonry work, those guys are throwing block left and right, and every day just making a significant process there. This right here is the rear corner of the building. That's actually where they, as you remember, if you remember, the first block was laid on this corner right here. So what you're looking at is, if you're looking up to the right of the picture, you're looking back toward the school. That's the back wall of the addition. And if you're looking at on the left, that is toward the parking lot side, where the roll-up doors and walk-in doors going to the stage and to the band tomorrow. It's one of the bathrooms on the existing gym that used to be able to come have access from the gym and or the outside parking lot. And these two bathrooms, there's a men's and women's bathroom right there. They were eventually turned into a family bathroom, if you will, on the new addition side. And on the gym side will actually be storage in those back sides. A 4-foot walkway all the way through. So as the parents are dropping off, and a lot of times 3 or 4 cars dropping off at a time, the kids now will have a paved walkway down there and then to enter the school. So we eliminate some hazards there as well. Rooftop view. If you notice the date, this is May the 7th. 20 days later, May the 27th, no block walls or anything yet. Basically, auditorium pad is poured, and there's nothing on the cafeteria side over there, which is an upper right-hand section of the picture. First part of June, I think we showed this last time at the last meeting, the block walls starting to come up around the classroom section to the left, nothing to the right. And this was last Monday. Last Monday, I took this picture. You see a significant improvement there, and it's doubled in size since this picture was taken as well. Coming up, the parking lots came in last week, so they'll be installing the parking lot lights hopefully next week or so. Continue masonry work, continue waterline work. Expect that to be finished in another week to 10 days. Actually, next week they will start boring underneath South Main Street to get to the main water line that runs through town.